let's take a moment now to review what we learned in today's class. We learned about the Excel 2010 interface, including the ribbon, the parts of the window, the title bar, the maximize and minimize buttons, the quick access toolbar, the zoom controls, and the views buttons. We learned how to enter data into a cell, how to move around with the mouse and arrow keys, how to edit data both in the formula bar and directly in the cells. We learned about undo and redo. We learned how to format cells, how to change the font size, the alignment of the text inside a cell, bold, italics, underline, and of course the foreground and background colors. We learned how to resize rows and columns. Then we learned how to perform basic math operations in Excel. We learned about the different math operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We learned about the order of operations, how to add a bunch of cells together, and how to take an average. And finally, we learned how to save our workbook to disk, load it back up again, and print our spreadsheets. What's next? The next course in the series is Excel 2010 Beginner Level 2. This course will cover using the clipboard for cut, copy, and paste, using autofill to automatically copy a formula down an entire column. We'll learn about the different cell data formats, including currency, accounting, dates, fractions, and more. We'll learn how to work more with rows and columns, including inserting and deleting rows and columns. We'll also learn to work with different sheets, inserting new sheets, deleting sheets, moving sheets around. We'll learn the right way to sort data in our spreadsheets. We'll learn about conditional formatting, which is changing the look of a cell based on its data. And we'll learn how to use the Find and Replace feature. For more information on this course, an outline of exactly what's covered, and some sample videos, visit my website at excellearningzone.com and look for Excel 2010 Beginner Level 2. Again, if you need help with the topics covered in today's lessons, please feel free to post your questions in the Excel Interactive Student Forums. If you need help with a Microsoft Excel project that you're working on and your questions weren't answered in today's class, you can visit my Tech Help page at excellearningzone.com/techhelp. You can ask me your questions directly, and I'll either answer them in a future video lesson, or I can get back to you directly with an email. Plus, your questions aren't limited to just Microsoft Excel. You can ask me about anything computer related, including Windows, Word, Microsoft Access, web design, Photoshop, and lots more. If you have any other customer service related inquiries, such as questions about our courses in general, help with your account, or other non-technical issues, please feel free to contact us at excellearningzone.com/contact. While you're on my website, be sure to stop by the Microsoft Excel Tips and Tricks section, where you will find lots of free tutorials and videos. That's at excellearningzone.com/tips. Now, the only way I can make these classes better is with your feedback. Visit excellearningzone.com/survey today and let me know what you thought of this course. Did I go too fast or too slow? Did I cover enough material? Give me your feedback today. Also, let me know what topics you'd like to see covered in future lessons. Thank you for learning with excellearningzone.com. I hope you've enjoyed this class, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. This course is copyright 2010 by excellearningzone.com. All rights reserved. No portion of this course may be reproduced, copied, edited, or otherwise distributed without the express written permission of excellearningzone.com. This course may not be used by an educational, government, or commercial organization without a specific site license.